Hello and welcome everyone for this new chapter, Don Quixote and the Windmills. As I told you, dear, the ideal reading should be done by the students. So, here we are going to see the story of this chapter. So, dear, this is very useful for you for the last minute revision. So, this story is written by Miguel de Cervantes. He was a Spanish writer, and it's about basically, the story about Don Quixote is presented in the form of play. So, long time ago, in a place called La Mancha, there lived a gentleman about 50 years whose name was Alonso Quijano. All day he used to read the storybooks, especially the Chivalry of Knights, and somewhere it affected him. And he also decided to roam the world to fight against evil, just like the characters in the books he had read. So, there are two scenes here. Scene 1, Don Quixote. So he has dressed like a knight and he has that horse. Now he's calling that horse that horse is not a common now, and he has given the name Rocinante. People will know that that horse is not a common. Then he has to find an assistant, what we call as Scaeva. So he found one, a poor laborer, Sancho Panza, and he made him his squire, as you can say, assistant. But unfortunately, Sancho Panza has donkey, so he was allowed to bring that donkey because they don't have the horse. So Don Quixote adjusts this, and they went for a ride in countryside. Now the scene 2 begins with Don Quixote. He was talking that all the how the knights they conquer a place, and then they make their squire the in charge or governor of that place. So somewhere he was confronting Sancho Panza, and somewhere he wanted Sancho Panza to be with him, so he wanted to reward him in this way. And Sancho also replied humbly. He told that, worship, I am humble indeed. Then they began to dream of the lands they will conquer and govern. Don Quixote stopped and he saw something. So he told Sancho, look, there are 30 more evil giants who are there. Sancho, he was surprised and he asked, but still he asked, what giants? Don Quixote said, those you see there, 2 leagues long. 2 leagues means almost 10 kilometers. So a league and all unit for measuring distance equal to about 5 kilometers. So almost 2 leagues means 10 kilometers. Sancho looked at it and he knew that it is nothing but it's windmills, and what seems to be their arms are actually sails which are turned by the winds to make the millstones. So in the past, these windmills used to be used to make a floor. Don Quixote, those are giants. It's not a windmill, those are giants. So he is not having experience of warfare, so might be Sancho don't know that. So he spur on his steed Rocinante without giving attention to the cries of Sancho, his squire, and he ran to attack that windmills. Don Quixote said, fly not cowards and evil beings, I will kill you. At that time, a slight breeze at this moment springs up, and the great sails of wind begins to move, and due to that, Don Quixote falls upon the first windmill that stands in front of him as he drives his lance point into its sail, and the wind wheels it around with such a force that the lance breaks it to pieces, and the rider who began rolling down the plain in sorry condition. Sancho saw that and he rushed to help Don Quixote carrying his donkey. So Sancho he said, God bless me. Okay, I clearly warned you, sir. windmills. But Don said, "No, my friend." So, somewhere here, once again, Don Quixote is not accepting that he's really a foolish character. As we can say, Don Quixote is really a stupid or foolish character. Still, he is not ready to accept the thing. Moreover, he is saying that is a magician Friston who stole his books and now has turned giants into windmills. So somewhere he was not accepting that, and he again told that he will kill them, he will defeat them by his swords. So Sancho again he prayed to God and he told it may be so. So saying Swaya, Sancho Panza helps Don Quixote and whose shoulder is actually badly injured, and he made him sit on Rocinette's back, his horse, and they set out this time on the road to Puerto Lapis. And in the end, Don Quixote, he said, "My dear friend, we will not fail to find many adventures." Means they were still looking for adventures, for it is gate thoroughfare. Thoroughfare means a main road through a place. So they will become successful. So this is how the play was. A very nice play with two scenes. So hopefully you enjoyed it.